Hello friends, today we will see how this SIM 800L is going to work as a receiver. It will receive the SMS what we are going to send it, and the received message will display onto the serial monitor. So the connection is the same. Again, the TX pin of SIM 800L is connected with D5 and the RX pin is connected to the D6 of this nano. You can see it here. So these colors wires will show you. Red color is connected to the TX and D5. Green color is connected between the RX and D6. Black color wire is connected to the ground. The supply is connected with the battery. You can see it here. Now coming to the code. So you can see it here. So again we are going to use software serial because we are going to use pin number 5 and 6. Pin number 5 and 6 we are using for the data transmission and the reception. Then this is the baud rate. We are defining first 9600 for serial monitor and my serial dot begin 9600 between the communication between GSM and this Arduino Nano. So again the program is similar. First we are giving the handshaking signal 80. This 80 will communicate with SIM 900. After running it will give you the so OK. Then I have used another command called 80 plus CMGD equal to 4. This command will delete all the messages which are stored in your SIM card. So if you don't want to delete your messages, then please avoid this statement, then don't use it. Then next, this 80 plus CMGF, it is going to configure the text mode. Then we are here again, this new command 80 plus SMP equal to 17, 167, 0, 0. This will send the message with the default value of the GSM. Then CNMI 2, 2, 000/R is going to used now. So already we know how to send this message. After then I am coming to the loop. In this loop I am coming for the update serial one subroutine I have created. So in this subroutine, if you see it here, so I have given a delay of 500 millisecond. So every 500 millisecond you check if any message has received on this my serial dot available or not, means somebody is sending message to or not, and whatever message is sending you can display onto the serial monitor. So first we are going to compile it. So in my here it is already compiled. It has been compiled and then we are going to upload it. So you can see it here. Once uploading is complete, done uploading. After then I am going to open the serial monitor. So for here you click onto this serial monitor plus sign, a new window will open. So in my case already window has been opened here. So I am opening it. So this is serial windows. Serial window. You can see initializing. Then 80 command is OK. CMGD is OK. It has deleted all the messages, configured, and this. Now I am sending the messages. So if you see here, so this is the number where I am going to send the messages. So you can type any messages. Cool. I have typed it here. Cool. You can see it here. Now I am sending it here. So now you can see cool will appear here. So you can see message has been transmitted, cool has been received. So by this way you can receive the messages and read it onto the serial monitor. Thank you.